So TikTok is literally giving out free money right now as a way to get you to shop on the TikTok shop. So they call it the TikTok rewards. You basically can complete certain tasks inside of the TikTok app, and in return, they will give you free money to use inside of any TikTok shops. So let me show you how it works real quick. So let's go to your TikTok profile, and on the upper left-hand side, you'll see this purple ticket. Click on it, and this is the page that you'll see, and you can scroll down. For example, you can check in here. You simply have to click check in, and we just earn $2. So you can do this every day. There's 7 days available, and every time you come in to check in, you'll earn some rewards. So the next task that you can complete is to browse 10 TikTok shop products to get a certain amount. So you can click on browse here, and you literally just browse through the 10 products, and boom, we earned 50 cents. Not bad for browsing for 2 seconds. So you can do this every day. It resets every day at 9 a.m. Eastern time. And every time you refer a new user, you'll get $50 and your friend will get $10. So who is eligible to participate in the TikTok rewards? To participate, you can reside in a country where TikTok is available and do not use a VPN or similar tool. And the second requirement is to be at least 18 years old. So as long as you're at least 18 years old, and if your country has TikTok available, you should be able to have access to the TikTok rewards. If you still don't have access to this activity, the activity may not be available to you at this time. So I don't know what that means. I think it's just open to some people, but I think it's worth to check. So with the rewards that you earn, you could spend it on any products that are in the TikTok shop. So when you come down here, you could browse through all the different type of products, and you can literally find everything on here. So it's definitely really cool. So I listed my own referral link down below in the description. And if you do decide to sign up for TikTok rewards and use my referral link, I will be super appreciative. You will get at least $10 in rewards to use in any TikTok shop. And after you sign up, you can also check to see if you have the same purple ticket that I showed you in the beginning of the video, where you can complete those simple tasks and earn extra rewards. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next video.